Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to take long screenshot on Android. Taking a screenshot on your smartphones is straightforward, and we all use it to capture content displayed by apps and store them for future reference. However, if the contexts extend beyond a single screen, we often resort to scrolling down and taking multiple screenshots. Scrolling screenshots can take extended snapshots that include all the information displayed by scrolling up and down the display. Not only does this save your effort of capturing multiple screenshots, but it also brings all the information that is displayed under one long, scrollable image. Here's how you can take a full video scrollable screenshots on Samsung device. Press the power button and volume down together to capture a screenshot. A screenshot menu will appear. Once the screenshots menu appear, keep tapping the down icon till where you want the screenshots to be. Once you complete taking the required screenshot, tap on the image thumbnail on the leftmost side, which is the first option in the menu, to save the screenshot. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.